hurricane and massive flooding devastated Texas in 1900. Military history of 4 tours in Iraq as a Navy SEAL. The Great Mississippi Flood of 1927. Debris float from Caraballeda flooding in 1999. The Great Flood of 1993 put many parts of the Midwest underwater. A flood of dust and dirt buried everything in its path during the Dust Bowl in 1936. Entire roads disappeared as a result of the flooding from Hurricane Katrina in 2005.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.